Connect the HP 950 4K webcam to HP Webcam Control Centre. The HP 950 4K webcam creates ultra-high-definition quality content in 4K and comes with a variety of features designed for streaming as well as all-purpose recording use. This video will include an explanation of how to set up the webcam as well as an overview of the webcam features offered through HP Webcam Control Centre. Unboxing and setting up the HP 950 4K webcam. First, open the box and remove the webcam as well as the product manual and warranty. Remove the protective film from the webcam lens. The HP 950 4K webcam features the ability to swivel a complete 360 degrees for a full range of motion. In addition to this, the webcam includes an adjustable base with tilt control as well as a mounting clip to attach to virtually any surface. This allows you to record anywhere within the space you are in and adjust angles during recording if needed. The webcam also features a shutter control switch located at the top of the camera. This enables you to disable the view of the camera when you are done recording. The cable that comes with the webcam is a 6-foot-long braided cable for durability and flexibility with a USB-A connection. The product manual includes the steps to set up the webcam and download and install HP Webcam Control Centre. To download and install HP Webcam Control Centre, go to hp.com/support and type HP 950 4K webcam into the search field. Select this option from the search results under HP Accessories and Parts. This will open the support page for the HP 950 4K webcam, where you can find useful information pertinent to the device. On this page, you will see an option to download and install HP Webcam Control Centre. Select this option to begin the download and follow the prompts to install HP Webcam Control Centre. Note: the webcam can be used right out of the box with any video application, but in order to unlock all the features offered by the HP 950 4K webcam, you will need HP Webcam Control Centre. Exploring the webcam features. After downloading and installing HP Webcam Control Centre from the support page, open the application to be brought to the home screen. Go to the gear icon on the top right to access Settings. Under Normal, you can select your language, choose the save location for your screenshots, select your video quality, and see your software and firmware versions to make sure you are up to date. Under Hotkeys, you can assign shortcuts to quickly perform specific functions by selecting certain mouse or keyboard buttons. Back on the main page, you can control the camera view with the controls located at the top of the page. The bar at the top of the Control Center allows you to record video feed through 4 different modes: Default, Smooth, Bright, and Accentuated. Default records natural image color and brightness. Smooth touches up appearance to give skin a smoother look. Bright brightens the hue and appearance of the feed for use in low light conditions. Accentuated intensifies the hue and contrast to make the recording appear more vivid. Immediately below the view bar, there are controls that allow you to zoom, rotate, invert, and reverse the camera feed, as well as take screenshots by selecting the camera button. Pressing the record button allows you to record content when needed, as well as pause or stop the video. The recorded content will be saved to the same folder as screenshots. On the lower section of the main page, you will see 5 tabs, all of which affect or alter the way video is recorded. Under the Video tab, you will see 2 options: Basic and Advanced. From Basic, you can control elements of the feed such as the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, and sharpness. Under Advanced, you will find even more video quality effects. These advanced features unique to 950 to assist with streaming. Under Filters, you can manually adjust your own physical appearance in the recording by adjusting the bars for Tone Adjust and Smoothing. Under Effects, you can enable face effects such as crown, which will track to your face while streaming. Under EPTZ, you can enable AI framing. This feature will allow the camera to track your motions and speech so that you stay as the center of the recording. The camera will zoom in when you are farther away and zoom out when you get closer, as well as follow you around the frame of the recording. As long as you are in front of the camera view, you will be the center of the recording. You can also set and save custom settings for AI framing. This means if you have adjusted the camera view settings, you can save this as a hotkey without having to set all those features again. This section can also be adjusted through the Hotkeys area under Settings. Under Keystone Correction, you will be able to select a frame of recording within the frame of video, cropping out any unnecessary portions of the full capture of the camera. You can select any shape to record by dragging the 4 corner tabs of the frame. After moving tabs and selecting Done, recording will only capture what is within those boundaries. Selecting Edit will allow you to adjust the frame further. Selecting Reset will return the frame to normal. Note: Face effects and AI framing will be deactivated once the Keystone Correction framing is activated. In addition to all these features, the HP 950 4K webcam comes with full support from the HP support team, which is available 24/7. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.